just spent the first 3 minutes of this video lint rolling myself. This is what happens when you get this many cats. I don't know if you can see, maybe you can, he's sleeping right there. And he is a shedder. He is a hell of a shedder. But this is a different kind of video for me. This is very weird. This is a completely different part of my apartment. And I don't really know how this video will go because I have to set my lights up in such a way. This is not the most ideal apartment for natural lighting, so this is what I have to do. Also, I just want to mention that, oh my god, the background is so messy because we decided to completely redo our living room, so we moved around a ton of furniture, which means we're also moving around a ton of stuff, and just realized how far I am from the word minimalism. But the point of this video is that I will be doing, finally, my TJ Maxx and Burlington shopping haul. I did do a whole vlog of this shopping experience, so I will link it in the eye above and in the description box below. So if you want to see the process, if you want to see some more clothes that I didn't pick up and all of that stuff, it will be linked up here and down there. So if this is your first time to my channel, hey, my name is Adrika, and I usually do beauty videos on this channel, and I was uploading every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, but I decided to give myself more leeway or else I just don't upload. So I'm hoping to upload maybe once to twice a week now because my life is getting a little bit busier. I'm getting more and more stuff piled on top of me, so I am trying to upload as much as I can on this channel because I really do enjoy it, but I can't promise 3 uploads a week anymore, especially because I don't make any money from YouTube. This is purely a hobby as of this moment, so this is the reality of my situation. The first thing I bought was actually this top. This top was from Burlington, and I really was attracted to the mock neckline. I love necklines like this, like they're gorgeous. I feel like they flatter me so well and it fits my body very, very well. Almost kind of like that like bodycon type of fit. But I really love the stripe detail. I thought this top was very fall appropriate. I love the black with the red, and I love how kind of just grungy it looks. And if you're a petite girl just like me, this does not go too low on my body because a lot of tops can be so incredibly big and long on me, especially because I have a shorter torso. I believe this was around like I think this was around $12. I don't remember the price, and I think I threw away the receipt, which is terrible of me. I should keep my receipts. But I think it was around 12 bucks, which is kind of a steal. This is such a good quality, stretchy fabric that I think it'll actually fit a variety of body types and sizes. I did buy this in see, it's so stretchy, I can check. This is an extra small. So this is an extra small for me. I am 5'1". Alright, so the next thing I bought was actually this pair of joggers. It looks like the most mundane pair of joggers ever. This is in a size small. These are from Calvin Klein Performance. I'm guessing these are basically gym pants, but oh my god, these are so comfortable, so thick. They're very high quality. I've worn this to death and it's covered in cat hair. Once again, my life is covered in cat hair. But it just says Calvin Klein Performance over here, which looks kind of tacky to me, but I really bought this because I have a total of maybe 4 comfortable pants, things that aren't jeans or leggings or leather pants or disco pants. So it was really, really needed in my wardrobe that I get a pair that are very comfortable that I can just kind of bum around in and look like a slob. I believe these were around 15 bucks, which is really, really good actually for what they are. It does kind of pain me to pay so much for pants because I'm such a cheapskate. I only literally buy things when they're on sale. So that just shows you what kind of person I am. But I love the fit of this. It is a little bit big for me around the waist because I am petite, but the leg length fits perfectly. So this next thing I bought was this jewelry piece, which I thought looked so beautiful. Like, this is gorgeous to me. I thought it was gonna be more of a choker because I didn't see, but actually I will literally put this on right now. I thought this was so gorgeous if it was like up here. I don't know how to alter necklaces, but if you can tell me down below basically how I can make this a little bit shorter, I would greatly appreciate it. But I just kind of love how like kind of edgy and like kind of tough that punk kind of look, that kind of I don't even know how to explain it. It just looks kind of like different. It looks very interesting. I like my jewelry to be just a little bit more to it, or I like very dainty jewelry. Like I go from one extreme to the other. Like I really love how this looks. I love the metals being mixed together, so it has silver and it has gold, and I think it just looks so pretty. And it also reminds me of like really intricate Bengali jewelry that you wear with like saris and salwar kameez and stuff. So this kind of give me that American vibe, kind of Bengali jewelry-esque look. Yeah, I believe this was around $20 at TJ Maxx. This was beautiful. I love this. I love this a lot. I haven't worn it yet because I haven't found the perfect outfit to wear it with yet, but I will very soon. I will very soon. This is something I haven't worn yet, but I gave you guys like a try-on clip of this one and also this one as well in that vlog, but this is basically just like a super comfy flannel. Honestly, I don't own a lot of flannels. I have one that I thrifted from the men's section that's oversized and I kind of wear as like a jacket, but this is one that actually fits me from the women's section. This was $12. Yeah. The brand is Love Patron. This is 100% polyester, but it feels so soft. I have a bunch of t-shirts that I really love that are made out of, I think it's rayon, the fabric, where it's super stretchy like this, but it's very boingy and extremely kind of comfortable, but kind of like hugs you in like the correct way. This just makes me look so good, and it isn't too baggy and oversized where it looks like the fabric is swallowing me up because I am so petite. So that is a problem that I usually face with a lot of shirts like this. But I love the coloring of it, that it's kind of just neutral and it'll go with most things that I own in my wardrobe. And I love that I can roll the sleeves up. I love that half undone type of look. And yeah, this is just very flattering on my body type. It has a slightly longer back to it, so it just kind of cups your butt if you're wearing leggings. This is incredibly comfortable, but I have yet to wear this. So I will wear it soon though. I will wear it soon. Okay, so this is the big purchase that I made at TJ Maxx. Was this gigantic, beautiful coat that if you saw, I did wear it in the try-on clip, and it just fits so beautifully. I haven't worn it outside yet because it hasn't been that cold, but just recently, the day before yesterday, it snowed. It snowed like holy hell, and this would have been the perfect time to wear this coat out, but I didn't. But I love the hood of it. It's very fluffy, it's very soft, and I love that it's this tan brown color. All of my life, I've been wearing black jackets, black hoodies, black boots, black everything. So I finally got myself a tan brown jacket. It also has this kind of clasp button detailing, which I really like. It adds a bit of just like that New York quality to it. Also, I hate that phrase, like New York fashion or New York whatever, because most of the people saying that have never been to New York and don't know what people actually dress like there. There is no one cohesive New York fashion other than what you decide to see on movies. Like the things that you see depicted that New Yorkers wear are not what New Yorkers wear at all. They will wear everything and anything. But in spirit of that stereotypical New York fashion, this fits it very well. The inside is lined. This is the brand Haan signature. I don't really know. This is a size 10, but it fits a little bit oversized on me, so I can wear and layer this up because it does get freakishly cold here still. I moved a little bit more south, but it's still freakishly cold. So this did retail originally, according to TJ Maxx, for $140, and I got it for $80. So this was a steal, and it looks so beautiful, so sophisticated, and like I know what I'm doing when I really don't. And now for the best thing that I purchased this entire trip is this robe. It looks like a mess right now because I've been wearing it constantly since I've gotten it, but it is the most comfortable, perfect robe I have ever seen. It is the softest material. It's from Tommy Hilfiger, which was like, whoa, amazing. This is a large. It's like extra large. I didn't even notice, but I don't care because it feels like I'm wearing an alpaca. Honestly speaking, like it is so comfortable, and the white fabric kind of freaked me out for a bit because I was like, I never buy white clothes purely because I think my mom has embedded that idea into me that don't buy white clothes, it will stain, it will get ruined, and you'll have wasted your money. I'm out of breath. I don't know why. It's kind of concerning. But the fabric is amazing, the fit is really beautiful, and it kind of has like bell sleeves. This makes me feel like a mob boss from like the mafia, you know, in a way. Like I own a penthouse in the middle of Midtown and I conduct shady business there. That is what this robe makes me feel like. And I'm into the mob boss kind of fashion look. My boyfriend also did get one, but I'm not going to show his stuff because that's his stuff. But my one is white, his one is gray, and it is the comfiest thing ever. And this apartment gets so freezing, so cold. So this was like really needed for me to bundle up and layer up instead of just dragging along a blanket and wrapping it around myself and sitting on my computer and working. That is not the ideal situation, so this was very well needed. I think this cost like 20 bucks and it was worth all 20 of those dollars, all of them. Okay, so that was the clothes and the jewelry. I have two like home decor things that I don't know where to put yet. The first of which is this. This is the most beautiful thing I saw in that store, and we snatched it up as soon as we saw it. Like, look at this. Look. Focus on this. Focus on this beauty. This rainbow crystal, who knows what. I don't really know what it's called. This is $12.99 from TJ Maxx, and it is absolutely stunning. I'm guessing this is a tea light candle holder because there's like a circle right here that's perfect for a tea light, but honestly, this is just gonna be a display piece for us. This is gorgeous, and I don't really know where to put it yet, so we're keeping it away from the cats for now until they decide to break it. And in the spirit of fall, we got this pumpkin that is like duochrome, kind of blue and orangey. I don't know where to put this pumpkin either, but we're gonna put it somewhere at least before November ends because I just need to, you know, have just a little bit of that harvest festival spirit. So yeah, I got a nice pumpkin. I don't know how much this is because price tag is gone, but I believe this might have been around like $10 to $15. I don't remember. But yeah guys, that is everything that I bought from TJ Maxx and Burlington. I'm sorry if I was looking at the viewfinder this whole video. I don't have my monitor, so it's kind of weird for me to not be able to see what I'm doing, especially because I have to keep a lot of these products in frame. But yeah, that is everything. I did not buy any makeup there, by the way, because I am on a no buy, okay? I am committed to not buying any beauty products unless, of course, I run out of something and I need to repurchase. Something like that I will make an exception for, but everything else, I am on a no buy. But you did see those amazing deals. They had ABH, they had Kat Von D, they had a lot of stuff. They had Bare Minerals. It was so tempting, but I rewarded myself by buying that robe instead of buying the makeup. So yeah, that is everything. If you enjoyed this type of content, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and of course hit that bell notification so you'll be notified of each of my new uploads. I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks so much for watching. Bye!